Welcome to the Infinite Academy. Let us read CVC words with eh and et sounds in them. B, et, bet. G, et, get up early in the morning. J, et, jet. Et, let me in. Et, met, I met a new friend. Et, net, this is my fishing net. Et, pet, I have lots of pets. Et, set. Et, wet. Edwards. Ed, bed, my bed is soft. Ed, fed, I'm fed up of doing the same work. Ed, led. Ed, red. This is a red apple. Egg words. Egg, beg. Please, I beg you, don't leave me. Egg, leg. My leg is paining. Egg, peg. N words. N, hen. N, men. N, pen. N, 10. I have 10 balloons. Edwards. Ebb, web. L words. L, bell. L, tell. Tell me the answer. L, sell. L, well. The well is very deep. L, yell. The boy is yelling.